Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys a few ways that I tie my hair up when it's straight. So how I wrap it at night. I'm going to show you the lazy way, okay? So the lazy way is you're going to sleep on a satin pillowcase, and I'm going to show you guys what you need. Hold on. These clear scrunchy things. Hold on. I'll show you in a second. All right, so with this, what you're gonna do is you're gonna put your hair up. Oh, you're gonna need a little brush. You're gonna need a brush like this one. Love this one. It's so comfy and it's my favorite color. All right, so you put your hair up, and can you guys see me? You want it literally right on top of your head like this. Like that, okay? This is the lazy way, and this leaves no dents in your hair. So this is step one. You sleep on your satin pillowcase like this. Now the other way is you're gonna grab one of these scrunchies right here. They're like, these aren't gonna rip out your hair. It's kind of hard to describe the material, but it's really stretchy. Same thing, ponytail. Put your hair in a ponytail. Obviously take your time making the ponytail. I'm just doing this to be fast or whatever. And then you're gonna take one of these headband thingies. I'll link it down below for you guys. I got these when I was in aesthetic school, like that. And it should stay. If this doesn't stay, then get one like this. But this usually stays. And then you sleep on your satin pillowcase. This is if you don't want any like waves in your hair. You leave it like this, okay? But it's gonna protect up this thing right here. It's gonna protect your roots from frizzing up while you're sleeping. You just wake up with it like kind of like if you flat ironed it a little bit, because as you're, laying on the side or whatever, it's not gonna cause any friction or whatever. So it's like a little protection, but it's an easy way, and you don't have to do a doobie. Then the next step, if you want waves, then you make a little bun. Waves, meaning like you want your hair, your straight hair, to have like a little bit of like movement if you have layers, or you don't want it to just be flat. You just make a little bun like this. Make a little bun like this, leave this on, go to bed like that. I've tried all these ways, that's why I'm sharing it with you guys. And then the last step is, of course, a classic Dominican doobie. And I'll show you guys how I do that. Okay. And I'm going to show you guys how to do it with no bobby pins. My cousin taught me how to do this, and it's super easy. She did it on me one time, and I was like, what? I don't need bobby pins? Since when? All right, so my little trick when I'm doing a doobie, the easiest way, because in the past I used to part in the middle. Don't do that. So I either part like off center to the left side here, like that. Can you guys see that? Or I'll part off center on this side, depending on what side I want to do. We're going to do this side. So it's like if you were doing a side part. Then you're going to tilt your head down like this, and you're going to comb this hair this way. Let's say you get home and your hair is just looking really frizzy. Do a doobie and it'll fix the damage. So go like this. My hand is where my part is. That's where I'm stopping. And then I just take my doobie. I spread it like this, right? So I spread it. And then I hold it. I wrap the doobie around my head. Keep twisting it until all your hair is in. Oops. Like that. My hairy brows. Guys, I'm an esthetician, right? So, you know, because I have access to things, I laminated my brows. What if you have really bushy brows? I do not think it's a good idea to laminate your brows. I had my brows up to here. Oh, one more thing. If you sleep with the doobie, sleep on a regular pillowcase instead of a satin one because it will slide off. All right, guys, so that's the ways that I wrap my hair at night when my hair is straight. And I just wanted to share with you guys my favorite gloss if you need a little bit, or normally if I get my hair done at the Dominican salon, I do not have to put on any serum, but if it is feeling a little dry, like on day 3 or something, I don't like if my ends need a little bit, this, or if I straighten my hair myself, this is the last step that I do. So I put this serum right here. This packaging is old, but this is the brand right here. It's Razak Polishing Gloss. I don't know what is in here, but not even, I don't know. It's different than my BioSilk. It's different than my Chi serum that I have right here. Yeah, I don't know. There's something in here that lays my hair down with this. So just a little tip. That's the end of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful, and let me know which method you do or try. Let me see how you like it. Let me know how you like it. Okay, bye.